How to get a free domain and free website and start making money online. That's what we're going to be talking about today. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well, so check those out too. But let's dive right into this. Okay, so there's lots of places you can get free websites online and free domains. But the problem with them, most of them, is that you can't monetize them. They don't allow you unless you upgrade or whatever. But here is a site where you can actually get 2 free websites and free 2 domains. Now these are subdomains, and I'll explain that in a second. And they teach you how to make money online from the ground up. You build your own business from the ground up. Now this is not a get-rich scheme or anything like that. It takes time. It's not instant money coming in, within the first day or week or month or whatever. It takes time to go through the training, learn the skills necessary, and you can start for free, 100% free. There's so much more than just a free domain and free websites with this platform. Actually, we're looking at it right now. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. It's the top link in the video description below. You can also check it out there because you'll be signing up through me. And I'll be contacting you as well inside there. You can contact me and ask me any questions you want there, or put them in the comments below in this video. Anyways, let's get back into this. So there's so much free stuff here. There's a huge community of people here. This is just like kind of like a Facebook feed, but there's no spam or nothing in here. A lot of stuff going on, new members, all kind of tips and tricks and inspiration and stuff. But the website part here is you go on the left. There's the training. I'm not going to go into the training in this video. I've gone over this on lots of other videos. You could just sign up and check it out because these are free too. The level 1s of everything is free. This course here, I said I'm not going to go into it, but I'm just going to show you a little bit. This is all free too. All these 10 courses here. There's 10 lessons. But anyways, there's websites here. This is your website builder. And there's all kind of stuff in here. You can build your own website. And you can start on a free domain. There you go. And type in whatever site you want. Pick a theme. I'll just choose this one and build your site. Now, as this is building, it takes about 30 seconds. It's not that big of a deal. These are WordPress sites. And basically, the making money part of this is you are going to create a website that generates revenue. And you're going to use keyword research tools and stuff like this over here. And they show you how to do all this stuff and find the right keywords for your target audience. So when they search in Google, that they're going to come to your site. And you're going to do it with affiliate marketing. There's tens of thousands of affiliate programs and things to promote in here. There's over here. You see affiliate programs. I'll show you that in a second. So instantly we have a WordPress website built. I could log in right here. I could reset my password. Obviously, I'm going to do that. I'll probably actually just leave the site because this is for demo purposes. So, because you can see the password. And then we have some other stuff here that we want to turn on. It's actually already on. Site speed. This is all stuff built into the back end of this WordPress hosting. Free SSL certificates, so your website is secure. Free spam blocker. That is turned on. The site speed. We have accelerated or changed to extreme. We'll just leave it like right that. Well, let's turn it to extreme. Why not? So the sites are super fast, and you can even test them right here. So there you go. Once you start putting content in, they're going to be probably a little bit slower than this because this is 100%. That's crazy. But anyways, so there's your site. Let's take a look at it. There's nothing on it much right now, but you can log in. This is what it looks like right now. Recent posts, recent comments. Obviously, there's nothing on it because you have to build up your pages and your blog posts and stuff like that. And we can log in and do that. But I'm going to show you some of the money-making aspects of this. Like I said, there's training in here. I'm just glancing over this stuff really quickly to show you what's possible. People build websites from the ground up here, and they make lots and lots of money. Again, it takes time. It's not something that's super fast or any of these get-rich scheme things. You really got to put a lot of time in. It's up to you. If you do the training right, you're going to build a really successful business. But basically, you're going to pick a niche around, whatever. It doesn't matter what you're interested in. But then you go to these affiliate programs over here, and you can find, for example, health and fitness is big, clothing, accessories. Now, the bigger the niche, the more competition there is as well. So to keep that in mind. But if it's something that you're really into, that's good. Video games, events. These are just some popular categories at the moment. There's some things down here, programs that might interest you, high commissions. I mean, there's ones that pay $2,000. And basically what you're doing is you're promoting other people's products with affiliate marketing. And the way you're going to do that is write different blog posts. And like I said, you can use the keyword research tool here and get so many ideas for your blogs and stuff like that. Let's just go to this health and fitness category. So here's one on ClickBank that pays $100 commission. Now, is what you're going to do, and there's not a million, but there probably is a million health and fitness things you can do. This affiliate program searches a lot of different, looks like all these ones are ClickBank right now, but it searches like lots and lots of different affiliate programs, and you can sign up for them. Like say right here, you go in here, and you can join the program here. You can view the website for the product. And this is basically what you'll be promoting with your own special link that'll be on your website when you build your websites up. And then again, I know I'm going over this quickly. It might not make much sense if you're new to this stuff, but basically you're going to be doing the training here, which is also free. You're going to start with lesson 1, understand how to make money online. You're going to start picking up products rather around something that you're interested in. And then you're going to drive people to your website using keywords that you can rank for in Google. And then when people come to your website, you'll be using your affiliate links to recommending products and services and other things like that. There's, thousands and thousands of products and companies and stuff like that. And then you get a commission of that sale. So in a nutshell, that's affiliate marketing. And again, you get 2 free websites here, free training, free hosting. Now you can upgrade, but there's enough here. There's so much of the free information here that you're going to know if it's something for you or not once you sign up and do it for a while. Because like I said, the training's free, the websites are free, the research tools are free, affiliate program search is free. And if you want to upgrade, you can. And if you don't, that's fine too. But anyways, this is a really cool place to start making money online and building your online business from the ground up. And again, I'm not even scratching the surface, all this stuff that's in here. There's so much stuff in here. And like I said, there's a very helpful, large community. I think there's 1.5 million members in here right now. Obviously, you're not going to connect with all of them, but you can network with very successful people. If you use my link, I'm going to contact you pretty much right away. This is my profile here. It's my profile, but there will be a contact button here that you can ask me any questions, and we can start a dialogue of whatever, and I'll be here to help you. And there's a zillion other people here to help you as well. It's a really cool platform. I'm rambling on at this point, so I'm going to get going, and I'll talk to you soon. Please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or better yet, sign up for this free service. Contact me with inside of here. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.